All these words mean correct or without error, but they are used in different ways. Accurate means achieving conformity with facts through careful effort. It emphasizes that something matches reality with no significant deviation. The scientist made sure all her measurements were accurate before recording the results. Exact emphasizes accuracy in both quality and quantity. It is stronger in tone than accurate. Can you tell me the exact time the meeting starts? Precise emphasizes extreme accuracy and stresses that every single detail is perfectly correct. The engineer gave a precise measurement of every part before building the machine. Right is widely used and can be interchanged with correct, but it often implies correctness in morality, understanding, or behavior. You made the right decision by telling the truth. True implies absolute accuracy, especially when a copy or reproduction matches the original perfectly without any difference. This is a true copy of the original document, with every detail exactly the same. Correct is the most commonly used word. It means measured against a standard or rule, with no errors or mistakes. All her answers on the test were correct. All these words mean to say someone has done something wrong, but they are used in different ways. Accuse is a common word used in both formal and informal situations, in personal life or in a legal context. The accusation can be about something minor or something serious. It is often used with the word of. She accused him of taking her bag without asking. Charge can often be used in place of accuse, but charge mostly refers to more serious offenses or crimes. It often involves bringing a formal accusation to a court of law. The police charged him with robbery after finding the stolen goods in his home. Blame means to say that someone or something is responsible for a bad result, or a mistake. It is less formal than accuse or charge, and does not always involve a crime. He blamed the bad weather for the delay in the flight. All these words mean to criticize or find fault with someone, but they differ in strength and situation. Blame is a common word with a mild tone. It means to hold someone responsible for something bad. It does not imply harsh words or scolding. She blamed her brother for losing the keys. Accuse is stronger in tone than blame. Its core meaning is to assign guilt to someone, but it can also mean to strongly criticize or condemn. He accused his colleague of spreading false information about him. Condemn is a formal word with a strong judicial or moral tone. It means to strongly condemn something from a standpoint of principle or ethics. World leaders condemned the attack as a violation of international law. Scold is a common word mostly used when someone in authority speaks harshly and aggressively to someone of lower status, like a parent to a child or a boss to an employee. The teacher scolded the students for making too much noise during the exam. Denounce has a similar meaning to condemn, but emphasizes that the condemnation is made publicly and openly. The organization denounced the new policy in a public statement. Reproach emphasizes criticizing or finding fault with someone because their carelessness or selfishness has caused disappointment or dissatisfaction. She reproached him for forgetting her birthday again. Rebuke mostly refers to a strong, stern, and public criticism from someone in authority. It carries a tone of power and zero tolerance. The manager rebuked the employee in front of the entire team for missing the deadline. All these words mean to get to a goal or a result, but they are used in different ways. Attain means to reach a goal that is hard to get by trying very hard. People use this word when someone has a strong wish or ambition and works extremely hard to reach something most people cannot. She attained her dream of becoming a doctor after years of hard work. Reach is a common word. It means to get to a place, a point in time, a goal, or a stage in a process. The company finally reached its sales target this year. Achieve means to get a result by using skill, patience, and effort. It focuses on the work and ability needed to succeed. He achieved high marks on the exam through careful study. Arrive means to reach a conclusion, agreement, or decision after thinking or discussing something. After a long meeting, the team arrived at a final decision.